Camperdown is represented by Kareem West, Amelia Kalam, Otis Francis, and Jamal Watt. Mona High is represented by Anika Brown, Kahim Barnaby, Nikara Smalling, and Savannah Forshaw. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Mardine Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Mona High won. They decided to go first, so we begin with Mona High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Mona, we begin with information technology. Which device is used to input data into a computer?
Keyboard.
Correct. Information technology for Camperdown. Which component of a computer is responsible for storing data permanently?
RAM.
No, the hard disk or the hard drive. Next one. International affairs for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Gabriel Attal.
Incorrect. Andrzej Duda, President of Poland. International affairs, Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Alexander Vucic.
Incorrect. Arif Alvi, President of Pakistan. Physics. Mona, what type of energy can be calculated using the formula U equals mgh?
Gravitational potential energy.
Yes. And physics for Camperdown in the formula U equals mgh. State specifically what is h.
Height. Above the ground.
Will we accept? Above the ground came after. And please don't shout, Camperdown. Music. This is for Mona. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
She have a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest.
Chronics.
Correct. Music for Camperdown. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song. No, not that one.
Likes.
Correct. Spanish for Mona. What does the verb situar mean in English?
To situate.
Correct. Spanish for Camperdown. What does the verb egresar mean in English?
To return.
Incorrect. To graduate. Theatre and cinema for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Gwyneth Paltrow.
Gwyneth Paltrow.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Terrence Howard.
That's correct. Mona, literature. Here Comes the Sun is a 2016 novel by Nicole Dennis Benn set in what Caribbean country?
Jamaica.
Correct. Literature for Camperdown. The Star Side of Bird Hill is a novel about two sisters sent to live with their grandmother in which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Correct. Sports for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Next. Thibaut Courtois.
Correct. Sports for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jude Bellingham.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Mona. What is the first line of Jamaica's national song for schools?
I pledge my heart forever.
I pledge my heart forever.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Camperdown. What is the first line of Jamaica's national pledge?
Before God and all mankind.
Correct. French. This is for Mona. Who is l'époux or le mari in a family?
Married, that is married man.
Married man.
No, husband. French for Camperdown. Who is la belle fille?
Little sister. Little sister.
No, the beautiful girl. Biology. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Camperdown High on 6, Mona High on 8. When we come back, it will be time for our speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns after these messages.